Good morning, students. We will start first question of exercise 6.1. Question is write opposite of the following. You have to write opposite of the following. What is increasing? What is the meaning of increase? Badna. So what is the opposite of increase? Opposite of increase is decrease. So you will write decrease in weight. Next is 30 kilometer north. You have to write the opposite of north. What is the opposite of north? That is south. Write this also 30 kilometer or write here in weight. Next is 326 BC. So what is the opposite of BC? Now here is BC. What is the opposite of BC? That is AD. So you will write 326 AD. Next is loss of rupees 700. What is the opposite of loss? Gain or profit. You can write gain or you can write profit also. I am writing here gain. Gain means आपको जो profit हो रहा है, that is of rupees 700. Next is 100 meter above sea level. Above means ऊपर. So what is the opposite of above? That is below. 100 meter below sea level. Second question is represent the following numbers as integers with appropriate sign. Okay. Now, how we will find sign means you can use two signs, plus or minus. If thing is increasing, then you will use plus sign. If thing is decreasing, then you will use minus sign. First is an aeroplane is flying at a height 2000 meter above the ground. Number is 2000. Okay, now aeroplane is flying at the height above. It means it is increasing. So we will put here plus sign. This is the positive integers. Next is a submarine is moving at a depth 800 meter below the sea level. Number is 800. 800. Now below sea level, समुद्र के नीचे है, तो it is going down. When जो कोई चीज नीचे जा रही है, so it means it will be negative integer. So you will put here minus sign. So it is negative. A deposit of rupees 200. Write here meter and meter. Now a deposit of rupees 200. You are depositing 200 rupees. Number is 200. Deposit means आप जमा करवा रहे हो. It means the amount is increasing. When so it means amount is adding. So it will be positive integer. Withdrawal of rupees 700. Withdrawal means किसी चीज को निकालना. You are withdrawing 700 rupees. Number is 700. If you are withdrawing, it means your amount is decreasing. Withdrawing amount should be in negative integers because withdrawing means your value is decreasing. Third question is represent following numbers on a number line. So we are representing this all numbers on a single number line. Okay, you have to draw only one number line. First is plus 5. Where is plus 5? Here, positive integer. So you have to show like this. This is the plus 5. Minus 10. Where is minus 10? Here. So show like this. And give also alphabetic name. I am giving name A, B. Next is plus 8. So put here these quotient signs. Small a. This is A part and this is B part. Now C part is plus 8. Where is plus 8? Here. So this is the C part. D part is minus 1. This is minus 1. Next is E part is minus 6. This is minus 6. So you have to show this these integers on that number line. First question is observe this number line and locate these points. First is which point is minus 8. So we will check. This is 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. We will locate the points. It is 8. So it will be 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Then minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9 and minus 10. Now he is saying which point is minus 8. Minus 8, which point is F. F point is minus 8. Next, is point G a negative or positive integer? G is a negative integer. So you will write here negative integer. Next is write integers for point B and D, B and E. So we will check where is B. B is here. What is an integer of B? That is 4. And what is the integer of E? That is minus 10. Which point marked on number line has the least value? Least मतलब सबसे कम value. So which is the which number has the least value? That is minus 10. I told you na, in negative integers, big number is small and small number is big. So minus 10 has the least value. He is saying which point? That point is E and its value is minus 10. Arrange all points in decreasing order. Decreasing matlab big to small. So big is here and small is here. Like you have to write all points like this. But he is saying write points only. So we will write D, then C, then B, then A, then H, then G, F and E. These all points are in decreasing order. Fifth question is write the temperatures. First is Siachen city. Now its temperature is 10 degrees Celsius below 0 degrees Celsius. I told you if integers are below 0 then it will come with negative sign. So 10 degree below 0 means the temperature should be minus 10 degrees Celsius. Shimla temperature 2 degrees Celsius below 0 degree. It is also below 0. So Shimla's temperature will be 2 degrees Celsius. Ahmedabad temperature is 30 degree above 0. 0 से ज़्यादा है तो it means it will come in positive sign. Will come with positive sign. Then 30 degree Celsius. Don't put plus sign. If you want to write then you can write, but you can write without plus also. Now Delhi temperature is 20 degree Celsius above 0. It is also above 0, so it will be 20 degree Celsius. Srinagar temperature 5 degree below 0. So it 0 से कम है, so it will come with negative integer 5 degree Celsius. Now B part is homework. Okay. Now look at the C part. Which is the coolest place? Coolest ठंडी सबसे जगह. If we will check the temperature now. It is minus 10, minus 2, minus 5. Which is the coolest? The lower the temperature, the cooler the place. So lower temperature is minus 10. We will compare 10 and 2. I told you in negative big is small and small is big. So coolest place is Siachen because its temperature is very low, minus 10. Because its temperature is lowest. Write the names of the places where temperature are above 10 degrees Celsius. 10 से ज़्यादा है. That is Ahmedabad and Delhi. Ahmedabad and Delhi. Sixth question is which number is to the right of the other on the number line. It means we have to draw number line for this. First of all, we will draw number line. Both are positive integers, so we will draw only positive integer. 1, 2 till 9. Big number is 9. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And you have to draw all number lines with scale and pencil only. Now we will represent these integers on this number line. First is 2. 2 is here. Next is 9. 9 is here. Now we will check which number is the right of the other on the number line. Right side is this and left side is this. Now check it. 9 is the right side of 2. 9 मेरे right side की तरफ है. So 9 is the right side of the 2. So we will write 9 is the right of the 2 on number line. Next is minus 3 and minus 8. Again you will draw here number line. Both are negative integers. So we will draw here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7 and minus 8. where minus 3. This is minus 3, minus 8. This is minus 8. Now we will check which number is on the right side. Look at your right hand. This is minus 3 is on right side and minus 8 is on left side. It means minus 3 is the right of the minus 8. Next is 0 and minus 1. Again draw number line 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Now we will check. 0 is here and minus 1 is here. 0 is on the right side, so you will write 0 is the right of minus 1. Seventh question is write all the integers between the pairs and write in increasing order. You have to write all integers between these numbers. So between 0 and minus 7, what will come? We will start with 0. 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6 and minus 7. These are the integers between 0 and minus 7. Now you have to write these integers in increasing order. Increasing order means in ascending order, small to big. So which is the small number? That is minus 7, then minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1 and 0. 0 is the biggest number. Next is minus 4 and 4. Write all integers between minus 4 and 4. Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the integers between minus 4 and 4. Now we will write these integers in increasing order, means small to big. Now which is small? Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 is biggest number. In this question he is saying write the integer between the pairs. So we will not write here minus 7 and 0 because he is saying write between the pairs. We will not write here minus 4 also and 4. I am telling you one basic rule. If there is 3 and 5 are given, both are positive number and you have to compare both numbers. So which is the big number? Of course 5 will be big number. If we are comparing 0 and 1 positive integers, so which number will be big? Of course positive integers will be big. Now if we are comparing 1 negative and 1 positive, so always positive number will be big. If we are comparing two negative numbers, so remember one thing, in negative numbers big number is small and small number is big. It means minus 3 will be big. When we compare both numbers, minus 3 is bigger than minus 10, because when we will draw a line 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9 and minus 10. Minus 3 is the big and minus 10 is the smaller number. Okay. When we compare 0 and any negative number, so always 0 will be big. 0 is bigger than negative number. Now this is the homework. You have to do B part of question 5, D, E, F part of question 6 and C and D part of question 7 of exercise 6.1.